Friends, please subscribe my channel Learn and Study. In this channel you can see B.ed notes, assignments, activities and question papers and TET syllabus and previous year question papers. Thank you. Today in this video you will see the salient features of Child Act 2005, B.ed first year psychology activity 3. The Commission for Protection of Child Acts Act 2005 is a law enacted by the Parliament of India, which provides for constitution of National Commission and State Commission for the rehabilitation, prosperity and wellness of children. The act was firmly enforced in India administrative states and its union territories to protect child rights. The act further provides constitution for establishment of child's court where the offence against children right or exploitation of children right be tried speedily. The Commission for Protection of Child Right Act 2005 was introduced by Minister of Women and Child Development and it is enacted on January 20, 2006 and it is commenced on February 5th, 2007, enacted by Parliament of India. The Government of India has appointed the members or a chairpersons for a specific respect such as rehabilitation, promotion and protection of minors and make necessary efforts for their prosperity. Aim and objectives. The basic purpose of this act is to provide the provision for the constitution of National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, State Commission for Protection of Child Rights and children courts for providing speedy trial of offence committed against children or for violation of child rights and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereof. Functions of Commission. The duties and functions of commissions is to look after the welfare, well-being, prosperity and rehabilitation of child and protection of child rights at the central level as amended by the certain sections of the Act. Now we will see the functions one by one from the following points. The functions of NCPCR are examine and review the safeguard provided by or under any law for the time being enforced for the protection of child rights and recommended measures for their effective implementation. Present to be a central government annually and at such other intervals as the Commission may deem fit, report upon working of those safeguards. Inquiry into violation of child rights and recommended initiation of proceedings in such cases. Examine all factors that inhibit the enjoyment of rights of children affected by the terrorism, communal violence, riots, natural disasters, domestic violence, HIV/AIDS, trafficking, maltreatment, torture and exploitation, pornography and prostitution and recommended appraisal remedial measures. Look into the matters relating to the children need of special care and protection including children in distress, marginalized or disadvantaged children, children in conflict with law, juvenile children without family and children of prisoners and recommended appropriate remedial measures. Study treats and other international instruments and undertake periodical review of existing policies, programs and other activities on child rights and make recommendations for their effective implementation in the best interest of children. Undertake and promote research in the field of child rights. Spread child rights literacy among various sections of society and promote awareness of safeguards available for protection of these rights through publications, the media, seminar and other available means. Inspect or cause to be inspected any juvenile custodial home or any other places of residence or institutions meant for children under the control of the central government or any state government or any other authority including any institution run by the social organization where children are detained or locked for the purpose of treatment, re-information or protection and take up with their authorities for remedial actions. If unnecessary inquire into complaints and take suo motu notice of matters relating to deprivation and violation of child rights, non-implementation of laws providing for protection and development of children, non-compliance of policy decision, guidelines or instructions aimed at mitigating hardship and ensuring welfare of the children and provide relief to such children, or take up the issues rising out such matters with appropriate authorities. Such other functions as it may consider necessary for the promotion of child rights and any other matters incidental to the above function, a state commission or any other commission duly constituted under any law for the time being force. The commission shall not inquire it any matters which is pending before a state commission or a other commission duly constituted under any for the time being in force. Analyze existing law, policy and practice as assess compliance with Convention on the Rights of the Child, undertake inquiries and produce affecting children and comment on proposed new legislation related to child rights. Present to the central government annually and at such other intervals as the Commission may deemed fit. Report upon the working of those safeguards. Undertake formal investigation where concern has been expressed either by children themselves or by concerned person on their behalf. Promote respect and serious consideration of the views of the children in its work and in that all government department and organizations dealing with children. Produce and disseminate information about child rights. Compile and analyze data on children. Promote the incorporation of child rights into the school curriculum, training of teacher or the personal dealing with children. The above are the functions of the Child Right Act of 2005. Now we will see who are the persons which are in the Commission of Child Rights Act of 2005 are Santa Singh. Her period was 2007 to 2013. Sanata Sinha as a chairperson of the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR for the second term. Ms. Sinha, as renowned child rights activities, was appointed as a chairperson of the Child Rights Panel in 2007. An academic with the Central University of Hyderabad, Ms. Sinha is a winner of the prestigious Magsaysay Award for 2003. She was presented the Padma Shri Award in 1999 for her work on the child rights. Kushal Singh. His period was 2013 to 14. Kushal Singh was selected by the committee headed by the Krishna Tirath, Minister of Women and Child Development. Sinha was held several high-level posts in the government of Rajasthan and the central government. Singh was also the chairperson Board of Revenue, Rajasthan Pollution Control Board and Commissioner for the Disabled Persons. And another person was Suti Narayan Karkar in 2015 to 2018. She was in 1978 batch of IAS officer was appointed by the head of the Child Rights Panel by Women and Child Development Ministry. Suti Narayan retired as a secretary from Disabled Affairs in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. She was heading the Management Committee of Central Adoption Resource Authority. Priyanka Kangun, 2018 to 2021. She was appointed the post of chairperson as the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights in NCPCR in the rank and pay of Secretary to the Government of India for the period of 3 years. The above 4 members were appointed by the NCPCR, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, and contributed their services to the women and children for needy. Activities. Commission has asked for the special cells in schools to solve problems of children. The cell will examine the mental and physical torture against children. Complaints regarding sexual harassments, mental harassments, favoritism, etc. should be informed to the Tatkal District Legal Service Authority within 48 hours. Findings. The above said recommendations were based on survey involving 6,600 32 students, all of them replied to have been harassed. 75% of them informed for being beaten, and 69% did not slap on their face. 4% were given electric shocks by the teacher. Suggestions: seminars should be conducted for teachers to improve their teaching styles. The dignity of the students should be accepted by everyone. Drug addictions, copying, violence, etc. should be curtailed. State commissions of protection of child rights should be established. Complaint mechanism. One of the core mandates of the Commission is to inquire into complaints of violation of child rights. The Commission is also required to take suo cognizance of serious cases of violation of child rights and examine factors that inhibits the enjoyment of rights of child. Conclusion: the child rights go beyond just human rights, which exist to ensure fair and proper treatment of people across the world and promote their well being. Children, defined as any person under the age of 18, need more than just human rights due to a set of unique needs of stemming from the vulnerabilities, and also all children deserve equality despite their differences. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel for more videos.